So, what we have to do here is we have to draw a scale diagram of a triangle in order to check to see if we calculated it correctly when we use the cosine law. So, I'm going to show you how to do a scale diagram in Geometry Sketchpad. These ones are a little more complicated because when you see the lesson that was recorded um, on YouTube, he's trying to solve for a triangle that has three specific sides, and all the angles are smaller than 90 degrees, so it's not a right angle triangle. So this is a little bit more difficult to draw. So the first step is to change your preferences. So go under the edit menu and pick preferences, and then change all these to units so there's no decimal places. Remember that scale diagrams are done in centimeters. Okay, so first thing, the triangle that we're trying to draw has three sides. And basically, the one side is 6 centimeters. Well, in the problem, it could be anything. It could be 6 kilometers, it could be 6 meters, could be anything. But in our scale diagram, we're going to make it 6 centimeters. So first we have to measure the length of that one. Okay, it's 5. That's not good enough. We need it a little bit bigger. There we go. So 6. Okay, now this side here has to be 7. So we're going to attach, and we're going to use the line tool and just attach another line, and hopefully that will be 7. You always have to click back on the arrow, so we go to measure the length. Okay, no, that's 6, so we need a little bit longer. There we go. Now the last one has to be, the last side has to be 9, so I'm just going to move that. Okay, here's the problem. I'm going to click on these 2 points, and then I'm going to measure the distance between them and see, okay, see it's 8. That's not good. It needs to be 9. So I'm going to move this point right here. Now the trick is you have to keep it 7 centimeters, and hopefully when you do that I can extend it to 9. So you're going to open it up this way. Okay, perfect. So there you go. Now you just have to click on these 2 points, and actually you can just do it with the line tool. Just connect the 2 points. Just be careful not to move them. Okay, so there's your triangle. Now what you want to do is you want to measure the angle. So the angle that we're trying to find is this one right here. Okay, so what we have to do is click on the 3 points. Remember the A, for measuring angle A, we have to click on that one second, and then we just go measure angle, and 84 degrees. So it might be a little bit inaccurate, but when we go to actually solve it using the formula, it should be close to being 84 degrees. It might be a little bit more or a little bit less than that. Okay, so now you go ahead and try drawing the triangle on your own.